Hello guys, welcome my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about bubble charts. So let's get start the video. First of all, I could like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, like and leave a comment. Your supports are a lot to me and it's encouraging me to create a more content. Open the Visual Studio and create a three file. The first file name is the index.html and second file name is the style.css and the third file name is the main.js. Open the index.html file and press the exclamation mark and then press the enter. This will be generated the basic HTML structure and go to the heading tag and we are linking the CSS file. The CSS file name is the style.css and the another file to be linking the JavaScript and the file name is the main.js. Browser and search now chart.js CDN. Once you find it and click it, open it and then click the code icon to see the code snippet and copy the code. Now switch the Visual Studio and paste the copy code. Take a div element with the class equals to a chart and inside it add a canvas element with the equal to a my chart. Close the canvas element and also close the div. Go to the title and change the document place to write a bubble chart. Open the style.css file and write a code. We are targeting the body element. So let's go on the body. Curly bracket, display, flags, element item center, justify content center, height 100 vh, dot chart, curly bracket, position, relevant, width 50% and height 50%. This style will be helping the center the chart on the page. Open the file name is the main.js and write a code that beginning by the creating a const ctx equals to a document get element my chart get a content 2d const data equals to curly bracket data set label value first data set data x20 y30 r15 another one x14 y10 r10 background color you can choose any color const configuration equals to curly bracket type value bubbles data to data option curly bracket. Create a new chart with the statement const my chart equals to new chart ctx and configuration. Thank you so much for watching and if you enjoyed this video don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon and more content. Stay tuned for the future video and until the next time take care and happy watching.